What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best car wash brush on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is YeewayVeh Car Wash Brush Mop. Ergonomic design. Car wash brush with long handle designed with ergonomic D-shaped grip for easy to use. Premium telescoping pole is made of aircraft aluminum, lightweight and durability. Soft EVA foam handle won't scratch your car paint. Long handle car wash brush. YeewayVeh Car Wash Mop with long handle, retractable length is 27 inch, 55. Make it easier to reach and clean the roof of large SUV truck without having to reach and move the ladder or step platform around so often. 180 degrees rotating wash mop head. Microfiber car wash brush head can adjustable to your comfort angle. 180-degree rotation allows you to clean the entire side without having to walk back and forth. Soft brush for car washing is a lot faster than mitt and sponge. No scratch. Soft bristle car wash brush has a 13.8-inch wide soft huge mop head and letting you do the car in record time. Removable chenille brush head is machine washable and soft bristles has good absorbency, rich foam, lint-free and strong stain removing. What you get. Car wash cleaning kit. The package include 1x chenille brush head, 1x D-shaped handle, 1x extension pole, 1x telescopic rod, 1x car washing towel. Car washing brush with long handle makes car washing easier. In our list, the number 4 product name is TelesPro Car Wash Brush. Soft car brush. The wheel/tire brush features soft, dense bristles for deep cleaning, and the durable, comfortable grip ensures easy and effective scrubbing. With it, you can easily clean the dirt in all crevices such as tires, wheels, bumpers, rims, and grills, making car cleaning more accessible. Microfiber car brush and window squeegee. Soft, non-scratch, lint-free chenille microfiber bristles easily and perfectly clean car without scratches. The soft rubber blade moves foam and water easily, definitely no streaks. Durable nylon netted sponge offers a thorough wipe. Chenille car wash glove and absorbent towels. The chenille car wash glove is made of extra plush microfiber for the ultimate scratch and swirl-free washing experience. Super absorbent microfiber towel dries your car quickly and can also be used for car interior cleaning. Scratch-free and lint-free. Length adjustable. This duster for cleaning consists of 3-stage corrugated aluminum pipe. You could adjust the length from 5 feet to 12 feet by lengthening or shortening pole according to your needs. Multi-use extension pole. The TelesPro's universal threaded tip makes it compatible with a wide variety of attachments to accomplish all your hard-to-reach tasks. Use with all TelesPro products. TelesPro customer service. We are so confident in our product that we offer a 1-year replacement and 30 days money-back protect in case something goes wrong with it. Buy with confidence. In our list, the number 3 product name is BMLEI Car Wash Brush. 15-degree curved design. Unlike most car washing brush with straight pole, BMLEI Car Wash Mop is designed with curved pole, which is more labor-saving, and it is easy for you to clean the roof of the car. Flexible rotation and adjustable length. The aluminum alloy rod and brush head can be rotated at will, realizing no dead-end cleaning. Car wash kit with ABS lock design is more convenient. firm and time-saving to adjust the rod length. You can manually adjust the car washing brush rod flexibly to the desired length between 21 inches and 41 inches. Efficient car cleaning supplies. The car detailing brush is a perfect helper for washing, drying, waxing, dusting and polishing your vehicles or household. Free size fits for everyone. Makes cleaning easier, faster and more practical. Super absorbent and microfiber towels. Soft microfiber cleaning cloth is extra absorbent without leaving any streak residue behind, scratch-free and lint-free. Perfect cleaning supplies for car washing and home cleaning. Car wash kit including 1x aluminum alloy wash mop with long handle, 2x chenille microfiber car brush mop head, 1x microfiber car cleaning cloth and 24-hour customer service online. In our list, the number 2 product name is Anyyion Car Wash Brush. Car Wash Brush. Detachable design. The 51-inch long aluminum alloy rod design is not only lightweight, but also avoids stretching, bending, or twisting, thus completing all the work, and you can easily complete the car cleaning work. Car Wash Soft Bristles. The 10-inch soft bristles are made of high-quality PVC filaments and are divided 2 shapes. The bristles touching vehicle are made finer, will not leave scratches, upper half embedded brush head not easy to shed wire, no thinning treatment, so the bristles will not be deformed while being soft. Car Wash Dip Brush Connectivity. This car exterior cleaning brush comes with an adapter with water switch on/off which can be attached to a garden hose in 2 methods. One is with the end of the adapter and the other is without the end of the adapter. Please make sure the connection part has a gasket to avoid leaking. Car Scrub Brush Application. This car wash brush with extension handle can be used in countless ways. Multifunctional and practical, perfect for cleaning or washing solar panels, house siding, auto cars, trucks, SUV, RV, boats, driveways, decks, floors, patios, bathrooms, showers, snow removal and more. Customer service satisfied. Contact seller directly if any issues. Anyyion service team will respond you within 24 hours during working days. In our list, the number 1 product name is Poople Car Wash Brush. Soft bristle brush head. The bristles of our 12-inch soft car wash brush head are made of high-quality PVC. Make this soft brush for car washing abrasive enough to remove dirt but won't scratch paint. The side protecting bristles unique to the quad all-sided design not only protect your vehicle from scratches, but also help clean wheel rims, mirrors, and more. New heavy-duty handle. The detachable handles of our auto wash brush are made from 26 mm diameter aluminum alloy tubing, which is much stronger than other 22 mm ones. The connection uses durable ABS plastic and a new connection method, allowing this car washer brush to withstand more pressure but no deforming, breaking, or leaking. Car Wash Dip Brush Connectivity. Poople RV exterior washing brush comes with an adapter with water switch on/off which can be attached to a garden hose in 2 methods. One is with the end of the adapter and the other is without the end of the adapter. Please make sure the connection part has a gasket to avoid leaking. Adjustable sizes and non-slip control. You can freely assemble the 4 poles to make the extendable handle length from 16-inch to 70 for different usage. And the assembled car brush with long handle can be up to 70-inch long, making it easy to reach from your car's bottom trim to the tops of vehicle roofs. It also features 2 foam grips for extra control. You can hold the pole well even if your hand is wet or slippery. 100% customer service satisfied. Contact seller directly if any issues. Poople service team will respond you within 24 hours during working days. Amazon returns guarantee. You will enjoy professional service center, 30-day full amount refunding, quality warranty and technical support. Excellent customer service brings you no worries after purchase.